dois voler jeden timme vet en tutkan Habibi Habibi.
Okay, rise and shine everyone. This is the beautiful morning of Istanbul. It is going to be a 5 minutes walk. Okay, so I'm gonna walk to the Blue Mosque. See you guys in a minute. There you are. So there's the Blue Mosque. It's not too long distance right behind those trees. I'm just a few steps away from the Blue Mosque. Oh. Okay guys, good afternoon. Right now it is just 12 PM sharp. Right behind me is the Blue Mosque, and I think I can get a better view because it is totally covered by a lot of trees. It is really great to be here. I think I'm gonna do a quick food hunt around the area of Blue Mosque. Yeah, I love it. I think this is a great place for you to chill and relax. And I'll see you guys in a minute. And let's do our local food day tour on Turkish food. Okay guys, time to go in.
Du dois voler jeden timme vet en tutkan Habibi. Du dois voler jeden timme vet en tutkan Habibi.
Okay, guys, so right now I am inside the Blue Mosque, and I am standing right in the center of the premises, and behind me is the entrance to enter inside the Blue Mosque. So actually I'm still inside, but I'm quite a little outside of the place where you still can use your footwear to walk around the premises. Anyway, this place looks great. It's so beautiful, and I think I'm going in to check it out how it looks like from the inside, but I believe it is going to look beautiful. So see you guys in a minute. Okay, so unfortunately the mosque is closed, and I think they are actually now is I think now is the praying time. I don't have enough time, so right now I'm going to do food hunt on Turkish food. Oh, what is this? Right behind me is a small stall that sells a typical Turkish circular shaped bread, and that is covered with a lot of sesame seeds. And I noticed that this kind of bread stall is all over the place. I just went to the nearest one right in front of the Blue Mosque, so it cost me about 70 lira. So right now I'm going to give it a try. Okay, so I'm just going to try the plain one, see how it goes. I mean, the sesame seed make the whole bread taste much more sweeter than it is. It's perfect for a morning breakfast. So next up, I'm going to try the Samit bread with Nutella, which is chocolate. So what they did is that they cut the Samit bread into half, and then they put a swipe of Nutella chocolate in between. Let's give it a go and give it a try. Oh yeah. This one tastes much better, man. I think this is the best one. The chocolate matches perfectly with the bread. Yeah, I love this. I think this is my favorite. If you guys looking for a Samit bread, right behind me, it's good, guys. Okay, so now for the last one, I am going to have the Samit bread with cheese. So let's give it a go. Oh yeah. Yeah, it tastes slightly better, but it's not bad. I think the combination of the cheese and the sesame seed tastes great. That is nice.
Du dois voler jeden timme vet en tutkan Habibi. Du dois voler jeden timme vet en tutkan Habibi.
What is this, my friend?
This is the corn rider. These are the chestnut.
Uh-huh.
Is the like
Selamat datang. Terima kasih. Sama-sama.
Nice.
Berangan panas.
Chestnut.
Berangan. Malaysian language is berangan.
So this is jagung bakar.
Jagung bakar, jagung rebus.
Jagung rebus, yes.
Ya Musa, ya Isa. Ya Musa, ya Isa. Is my dog. This is my dog. His name Avdo. Name is Avdo, brother. Avdo. Sana ağlar, yalan olur. Kuzu kere çarpar çaya. Put it in YouTube, yeah?
Yeah, YouTube.
Okay. Okay, brother.
Okay, I would like to have one chestnut, please.
One piece or
The smallest one, yeah, 100 gram. Thank you. Okay, guys, so I'm going to try the Turkish chestnut. It's quite big actually for the chestnut. Let's give it a try. Oh, I love it. It has that a strong smoky after smoke coming up from your nose. Oh, it's good. You should try. The shop right behind me. Okay, so right now I am in search to find the food. I can't really, I'm not sure where it is, so I'm trying to find where they serve the street food. I hope it's somewhere around here. I have just exited out from the Grand Bazaar, so I believe this is like the street food market around here. Let's see what they have in here. Yeah, so what's that? Cinnamon? Okay, good. Yeah, that's good. Okay, nice. Oh, that's nice. Okay, thank you, my friend. Thank you. So, ordered Salep. Okay, guys, so I am going to try the traditional hot beverage drink that is very popular during the times of Ottoman Empire. Okay, I'm going to drink this first. Let's give this a go. Oh wow, this is okay, guys. I tell you, to be honest, if you ever come down to Istanbul, you have to try this drink the very first thing when you come here. This is called Salep, which is a cinnamon drink. I like it how they put the cinnamon flakes on top of it, as well as the cream. It has that very strong distinct fragrance on the drink. Oh my god, this is perfect. This is on the drink. Yeah, I love this a lot, man. I do love this. Oh yeah, guys, I love this a lot. This is very nice. So that's mine. That's mine. Okay, nice. Thank you so much, my friend. Wow, this is huge, guys. This is really huge. Okay, guys, so I'm going to try another Turkish delicacy. So this is called kavurma and kasar, which is a beef and cheese pita. So now I'm gonna give it a try and we see how it goes. Oh wow. Okay. So I need to take another few bites to get into the center of the pita bread, because on the outer layer is just the bread. I didn't get to taste the beef. But now I get to taste the beef, because on the outer layer there's a lot of bread, which is quite thick actually. So now I get to eat the beef at the center of the pita bread. Oh wow. I think the beef has a very strong beefy taste in it. I think they season it very well, that you can actually taste a very strong beef flavor inside the pita bread. And for the bread as well, it's quite thick and it's huge actually, guys. It's really huge. It's worth trying this. It's delicious. I love this. Okay, so I am just going to randomly select the stall or any small stall that specialize in kebab, and I think I saw one over there, so we see what they have. Yeah, thank you. Okay, so I just seated down here at one of the kebab restaurant. It's more like a small stall, and it is called Pasar Doner. And I'm gonna try, of course, well, the kebab. So we see how it goes, and I hope it doesn't disappoint me. Okay, I want, this is kebab,
Yes,
durum.
this is kebab, durum kebab.
I want
Okay.
small chicken kebab and a small beef kebab.
Inside salad, tomato, cheese, everything it's okay.
Okay, good. Yeah,
Everything it's okay.
only want a small one.
Okay.
Okay.
This is onion,
Onions.
cheese,
Okay.
with cheese, chicken cheese,
This is
and chicken roll.
chicken roll. Okay, I'll take the cheese. Yeah, thank you.
One
Thank you so
orange,
much.
one cheese, one small beef, one small chicken. Okay.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Okay.
Okay guys, so I am going to try a thing called kebab. But somehow over here they call it durum. Durum, which is spelled as Durum, also known as kebab. As you guys know that Turkey is very well known for their national dish. So first up, I am going to have the chicken kebab first. This actually is quite long. Wow, it's very long. So I'm gonna give this a bite. Oh yeah. There's a very strong paprika flavor in it, but I like how they marinate the chicken, and it produces a very strong marination taste inside the chicken, and just make the whole kebab very delicious. Oh. So next up, I am going to try the beef kebab. It has the same length, no difference in it. So I am going to take a bite of the beef kebab. Oh, it's quite chewy, and it has a strong. Oh, okay. Now I'm feeling it. Oh, yeah, very delicious, guys. I love this. I prefer the beef more than the chicken. Yep. Okay, so now I am going to try the cheese stick. I believe this is mozzarella cheese stick. I'm gonna take one bite. It's not a one biter because it's quite thick. So let's see. This is delicious, man. It's nice. Yeah. I'm going to get the salad one more time. Hello, how are you? I get the salad for one last time, guys. Okay, guys. So I came to the same place twice. Earlier on this morning, I came here to have the salib, and then I come here again 2 hours later to have the same thing again. This is actually a very nice hot beverage. If you ever come to Istanbul, and it is called salib, which is a cinnamon cream drink. It's a very pure fragrance drink. It has a very strong, distinct fragrance in it, and I love how the texture is. And yeah, it's very nice, guys. So this is my second time right here. Cheers. So if you are looking for a good salib, you can just head down here in the central of Istanbul, right behind me. Right behind me, it's called Beyazit. So yeah, you guys should try this. It's very nice, very delicious. I love this. Yeah, I just want to say thank you guys for watching this. Stay tuned for my next episode of Exploring with Rus. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Thank you.
Okay.
Thanks.
Dislike.
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 Okay. Okay, bye bye. Thank you. Bye bye. Don't follow this guy. Dislike this guy.
Adelan.